Want to know how to find your saved videos on YouTube? Whether you're using YouTube on your mobile device, iPhone, Android, or on a computer, you can save videos to watch later or organize them in playlists. I'll walk you through how to locate them. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. It really helps support the channel. Thanks so much. Now, let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Let's say you come across a video you really like, but you don't have time to watch the full 21 minutes right now. You'd like to come back to it later. You'll notice several options like share and remix. If you scroll over a bit, you'll see the save button. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with a few options. You'll have the option to save it to your watch later list, or any other playlist you've already created, like a playlist I have called golfing. You can also create a new playlist by tapping the New Playlist option in blue. For now, let's choose Watch Later. Once you've saved the video, let's say you want to go back and find it later. To do this, tap on the library icon at the bottom right of the screen. This will bring up your library, including your playlists. From here, tap on View All to see all the playlists associated with your account, including Watch Later. Select it, and you'll find the video you just saved, along with any other videos you've added to that list. If you want to watch that video again, just tap on it to open it. You can also edit your playlist by tapping the three dots next to the playlist name. Here, you can remove a video from Watch Later, download it for offline viewing, or add it to the queue. You'll notice a lock icon next to the Watch Later playlist, which means it's completely private. No one else can see it unless they're logged into your account while using the app. I hope this guide helps you find your saved videos on YouTube. If it did, please hit the like button below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.